Hello, welcome back to the new video, which was of the airlines. Okay, let's begin. The first number is, when was the Tiruvani International Airport established? Yes, the answer is 1955 AD. Which of the following is example of the failure in the flexible pavement? It's alligator cracking here. And the Tirubhuvan International Airport obtained the international airport status in 1964 AD. The when r is the radius of the curve in meters, d is the degree of the curve in degrees, and length of the curve is 30 meter, then the relation between r and d is 17. What is 1780 by d? 780 by d. In order to determine the natural features such as river, lake, etc., the surveying preferred is answer. Topographical surveying. Setting up the plane table consists of the operations. Setting up consists of the leveling and centering. Setting up consists of leveling and centering only. An imaginary line connecting the points of equal elevation on the ground is known as contour line. In paints, pigment is responsible for the color. Strength of the cement with storage decreases. The paint highly resistant to fire. Highly resistant to fire is Avisort paint. Question number 11. Which of the following is good fire resistance stone? Good fire resistant stone is your clay stone. The maximum carbon content in mild steel should be 0.25%. Okay. 13 number, the addition of pozlana to Portland cement is option less heat of hydration, increases shrinkage, decrease on permeability. So all of the above. Foot roller is most suitable in constructing fine grained soil, cohesive soil, cohesionless soil, and clayey soil. So answer cohesive soil. Generally, soil is considered as three-phase system. Question number 16. If the coefficient of the passive earth pressure is 1/3, the coefficient of active earth pressure is 3. Kp equal to 1/k Ka हुन्छ 1/Ka. The ratio of volume of voids to the total volume of soil mass is called porosity. Volume of voids to the total volume of soil mass is a porosity. यसमा चाहिने if volume of voids to the total volume of soil solid भनेको भए void ratio हुन्थ्यो, तर void total volume of soil mass भनेछ, त्यही भएर porosity. As moisture content of the soil increases, cohesion of soil moisture content increases with the cohesion decreases. The diameter of the longitudinal bar in column should not be less than column 12 mm. A doubly reinforced beam is economical as compared to singly reinforced beam because concrete is not stressed to its full strength. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 21. Which type of the cables are advantageous in reducing the strength of shear? Cables are curved cables. Okay. Seasoning of the timber is done to all of the above. Reduce the weight, reduce the chances of shrinkage, remove the moisture from timber. These, if in which bond bricks is laid with its length in direction of the wall, is stressor bond. Length यदि perpendicular breadth चाहिने parallel to the wall length भएको भए यहाँनिर चाहिने header bond हुन्थ्यो, but length in the direction of wall भने चाहिँ stressor bond. In residential building, the average value of exterior is residential को लागि 800 होइन 900 mean 0.9 cm. Okay, but public building को लागि 1.2 हुन्छ. The minimum depth of foundation of a building on clay soil is minimum depth of foundation on clay soil is 0.9 to 1.6 meter. Depth of foundation building on clay soil. The method of dam proofing, in which layer of water repellent substance is provided. Method of dam proofing, in which layer of water repellent substance is provided between the source of dampness and part of structure adjacent to it, is known as membrane dam proofing. What is the most common used coagulant? Most common used coagulant is alum. The water bearing strata, that is layer of the sand, gravel, etc. Sand, gravel, etc. is called aquifer. Water bearing strata, sand, gravel. The information which can be included in drawing is converted to the estimator through. The information which can be included in the drawing is conveyed to the estimator through the specification. Unit of measurement for skirting along the wall, skirting skirting along the wall is in meter. Various activities of the project are shown on the bar chart by various activities are shown on bar chart by vertical lines. The muster roll is attendance sheet of the temporary worker for remuneration. Remuneration भनेको salary, wages, like that. Okay, salary, wages को लागि त्यो record राख्नलाई muster roll use गर्छौं. Security deposit should be deducted at ... from the contractor's bill. Security deposit कति हुन्छ? 5%. What does the OB stand for? OB stand for the organizational behavior. Which of the following is not an input device? Input device कुन चाहिँ यो मध्येको इनपुट डिभाइस? इनपुट डिभाइस भनेको हामीले कमान्ड दिने डिभाइसहरु हुन्छ हैन त. प्रिन्टरबाट हामीले आउटपुट मात्र निकाल्छौं, त्यही भएर प्रिन्टर आउटपुट डिभाइस. यसको तलको क्वेशनहरु अब तपाईले आफै यसो हेर्नु होला है त. सब्जेक्टिभ क्वेशन छ 30 मार्क्स को. ओके, आजलाई यो भिडियो यति नै. धन्यवाद.